Alright, so in this video, we did not learn from the eBay spoiler. If you saw that video, this is an eBay front lip for the S4. Now, I have had multiple eBay lips before that were actually also did not fit correctly, but at least fit a hell of a lot better than that spoiler did. So, starting from the beginning, this is how it comes inside the box, inside of that stuff right there that I honestly don't remember what it's called, plastic. And this is what you get, what it actually looks like. This one, the other ones I've ordered did not have these little holes where the bolts actually go into the bumper, so that's kind of nice. The other one that I had where we were just kind of guessing where everything was supposed to go, so now there's just random holes in the bottom of my bumper. But it worked, so these are very simple to put together. These little things right here, matched with those little things right there. You just boop it on there. And I don't know where I left the hardware kit at. I think it's back here. Yeah. I filmed this immediately after. This is our ECS spoiler. It kind of sounded like I was talking bad about ECS in the last video, but to be honest with you, I ran that spoiler for 3 years. So I guess the wear is kind of normal. But it comes with this little hardware kit with this super cheap tape that I'm sure won't last very long, but if it fails, we'll just Gorilla tape it. And I'm assuming these silver bolts here are probably the ones that go inside these two little things there that hold it together. And then these larger black ones, no one's ever said that before, go there and mount the actual spoiler to the car. What? What? So, anyway, we'll put it together and go from there. Before I bolt everything together, this is what it looks like on the other side of it. Really just put your bolts right there. And it holds the spoiler together. Lip, front spoiler, whatever the hell you call this thing. Yeah. Alright, so I initially wasn't going to put this tape on because I really wasn't sure if I needed it. When I put the, well, we'll go over that in a minute. I'm getting ahead of myself. So we're going to put this tape that the lip came with around the edges here where these bolts are going to go. Just to, I don't even know if I got that on camera. I'm just talking and moving stuff. Like where these bolts will go, because we know that's going to touch the car. And maybe that will help hold it on. Do I sound like I have asthma on camera right now? I feel like I'm weirdly out of breath. Anyway, I'll get this tape on, then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now we have Trenton recording for us.
Why wouldn't they?
Which makes my life much easier. So I can.
How?
Because then I can physically do things and talk at the same time without my brain working in 14 different directions.
Here. Just let them see what you're doing. Here's taping whatever the heck this is onto the lip.
I think there's enough tape left to do that here.
Oh, one sec.
I think you'd have to get up there.
I know, but I want to show them how you're doing it.
We'll show them in just a minute.
Yeah, I just want to get up there to be up there.
I'm just trying to lay this down right now.
My legs hurt, so.
On your mom into using her nails to get this tape off.
Y'all must be seeing the sky for a sec. Alright, I'm done.
Put some Or not. We'll know if it don't because it'll fly off it. Really high speed and all this will be for nothing.
Will we waste tape?
Oh, well, we'll waste tape and money and a lip.
Why? Because we'll tear it up.
Yeah. Alright. I think we're probably good on that.
Alright, time to get down. So, I was up there for like half a second.
Alright.
Alright, that's a big lip. I expected that to be extremely smaller. You better move, Ferris. Hey, Sylph. Oh, come in here. None of the cats want me to pet them.
Yeah. Let's see that.
Alright.
That's my hand. Alright. This is where I've put the tape on here. This is just the tape that came with the kit. I'm not even sure that I'm really going to need to put the tape on here. We're also going to be using these self-tapper bolts. This is what comes with the ECS kit when you order those. But over time, I ordered so many of them from breaking them that I had a lot of bolts left over. So instead of what did I do with that hardware kit? Left it back here because why would I have everything in the same place where it's supposed to be? Huh. The bolts aren't in there either. I don't know what I did with them. Anyway. Oh, another thing. Oh, hey, look, the bolts. That was accidental. So that's the bolts that the eBay, I don't know what the hell that noise was. This is the bolts that the eBay kit comes with, which probably, I mean, they may work just fine, I don't know. But you can see the difference in the ECS kit ones and the ones that eBay sends you. So we're going to use the eBay ones. Another thing I like about this kit, surprisingly, comes with directions. I don't think I've ever ordered a part from eBay that came with directions. So that was cool. Not that I needed them, because who uses directions for things? Anyway, I'm going to try to fit this on the car, and then we'll see what it looks like when we're done. On a side note, here's part of my crank bolt that was left from, there's Ferris, that was left from that adventure. So if you do order an 034 oversized crank pulley, I really don't know if any other company sends these bolts with it. Let's see if I can get that to focus in there so you can see what it is. Apparently, after 2 to 3 years, which is a weirdly recurring number in European parts, these begin to fail. Now when I put these in, I actually torqued them to spec and put the what was the stuff you put on the threads? The blue the blue Loctite. So if you do order that, just be kind of wary. When this happened, I replaced them with hey McGee. I replaced them with ARP bolts, and that seems to have worked much better so far. Huh? It may be APR. I don't know. It's one of those two. Yeah, because Mom has nails and my nails suck. Well, I'm sure the tape sucks.
It's not even sticky.
It's sort of.
Is it okay if I run around the house?
Yep.
Get it, Biggie.
Go.
Get it, Biggie. All right. Well, we got the new lip on, and if you don't have one of these, I would suggest you get one, especially if your car is lowered and for whatever ungodly reason you decided to try to put a lip on your car without Jesus, I look tired, without lifting it. It will make your life 10 times easier. I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. Trina decided he wanted to race me around the house. I decimated him, but Yeah, he's 9. You can't let him get too big. So, hi, Oreo. Anyway, let me show you the here of the lip, which actually really fit surprisingly well for an eBay product. So, you can see how closely that actually fits to the bumper there. It's a little bit off on the edges here, which I expected, but the rest of it I think looks really good. Also, the eBay, the bolts from the ECS kit is a number 8 if you're using a socket. Big Z's.
Hi, Dad.
He made me look bad when we ran. So,
Hey.
see how out of breath I still am from that? I'm dying.
I'm not.
I know, that's what I'm saying. So, anyway, thank you guys for joining us.
What you meant as I have more stamina?
Yeah, significantly. When you're almost 40, that'll start fading. Anyway, you say bye, buddy? No. No? Thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Jesus, that's bright. Do what?
How long is the video going on?
I don't know. Only like 2 minutes now, but I'll edit it all together. Thank you for joining us. I've said that 3 times now. Yeah.
Anyway, bye.
See you guys next video.